This is Moshe, the electric Israeli, and by now you probably heard about the big, huge announcement from Tesla regarding the base model, the Tesla Model 3 base model, the one that was supposed to be out, announced actually many years ago, almost 3 years ago, and finally is now out, and there are very interesting options. So I'm going to go quickly through the main options. What you want to see is this: the range, the top speed, 0 to 60, and also the price before saving. This is just estimate, so never look at this price or here at this price, which is the same thing. Okay, so the very basic Tesla Model 3, I would assume 60 kilowatt hour battery, 220 miles. The exterior options are the same. You can get all the colors and the wheels if you can choose. Now the interior, that's where it becomes interesting. So here you get the manual seat steering adjustment, cloth seats. You can see here cloth seats. You can see that they have basic audio, standards map and navigation, tinted glass roof with ultraviolet and infrared protection. That's good. Auto dimming, power folding, heated side mirrors, music and media over Bluetooth that you can connect to your phone, custom driver profiles, and center console with storage for 4 USB ports. You see the center console? From here it looks different than what I have. We have the cover and all that, so it looks a little different. So now Autopilot is now broken into two pieces. Now you have a 3,000 options. Used to be 4,000 after. Navigate on Autopilot, Auto Park, and Summon. That you can do that on your from your phone. And for 5,000 option that is coming later this year, recognize traffic lights. That would be awesome, and stop signs, and automatic driving on city streets. I guess through navigation. So that is the absolute very basic model. Now within that basic model you have a standard range plus for 37. Now you get 240 miles. I guess the access more battery. It's still a rear wheel drive like the first option was. 140 top speed, 5.3, 0 to 60. And again here you still have the same exterior options if you'd like. In the interior now you get the 12-way power adjustable heated front seats like I have. Premium seats material, that's the leather seats. I think if you see the center console here, it is like the premium, the one that we have now. Upgraded audio, maps, standard maps. Now you get an LED fog lights, same roof, okay, glass roof, auto dimming, power folding, heated side mirrors, music and media over Bluetooth, custom driver profiles, and center console with 4 USB. So that is an upgrade for 37. Now let's go. This is very interesting, the mid-range. So the mid-range for 40, now you get 264 like it was before, 140 and all that, 5.2. And here the interior is the same like the upgrade level like we read before in the standard model. Autopilot is the same. Autopilot is the same, as you can see, the two options. Now it gets very interesting. We are still in rear wheel drive. Now here's the long range medium, and here this one gets 325 miles. Mine is 310, so this gets 15 miles more. I get more access. Again, 140 miles, top speed, 5 seconds for 43,000. That is a great option. That is a fantastic option. Again, same thing. Interior, you get all the premium stuff like you had before, and Autopilot, it's the same thing. Now in the dual motor, so this actually, before we go dual, this one came back. This was taken off. It was only mid-range, lower mileage. Now it's back and even more mileage. That's great. So the premium, I mean the dual motor basically stayed the same. 47 for 310. And performance for 58, also for 310. But you see these numbers change dramatically. The 0 to 6 changed absolutely dramatically. Let's see if we have any changes here. It doesn't look like any changes. Same thing like in the other premium upgrade. Same thing here. All right, so that is awesome. This is now a really great choice. Look at that. This is a great deal. This is the cash value, and this is the loan value, estimated loan value for less than $500. Now you're talking. This is really great stuff. Okay, guys, this is it. See you tomorrow. Thank you.